Hey folks, Kia of Saskatoon here with a fantastic buy where we want to see you in a Kia, one just like this one. Check out this amazing blue on this 2019 Sedona LX. Now the Sedona LX, fun fact, comes with a lot of great features standard, and as well as take a look at all the room they got back here. There is a ton of space. These seats fold down, and that middle seat also comes out. So if you want that walkway in the middle, no problem. It's really easy to actually take it out of there. Now, of course, you got power seats on the driver's side as well, and you also got heated seats in the front, as well as a heated steering wheel. So you take a look at that right down there. And of course, you got backup camera, much more great features. And if you take a look, this vehicle just has around, I don't know if you can see from here, but it's about 30,000 K. Garage door opener, you name it. It's got a mirror there to check on everyone in the back. If you look, you can even see me. Hello, there you go. Anyways, come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. Come take a look at this van. Our experts are more than willing to help. They can answer all your great questions. And of course, we want to see you in the Kia. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you here.